remember to write your numbers down on your paper, just in case you're forgetting. Because the next question is going to ask us to add up the first page numbers. Okay, let's see where we are. Wow. So we don't think anybody's law should be grounded in Scripture because I didn't say what Scripture maybe, but that becomes the problem. Which ones are you going to, which religion are you going to choose? But we do have a number of people who think we should take a few steps to the right in terms of current laws. What is this? 16, 19? 19 either think it's about right or we should step to the right, and 24 think we should step to the left. Churches are involved in a lot of political activity these days, which probably accounts for some of the move to the left there. And the other part is atheists are coming out of the closet, right? Atheists are actually coming out. There's a few atheists who've started to be evangelical, and that always sort of tickled me. Why would an atheist be evangelical? But it also made me smile too. That it's a way to show up. You know, I don't think they really care whether people believe in God or not. But they've taken to putting signs on buses as a way of pushing back and making space for an atheistic point of view. And you know, growing up a conservative Baptist, I think of the word atheist it was a horrible, horrible term, right? So that's you know, when you have a word mean something for 18 years, it still resonates in the same way. But I like this term, Buddha. I can't even spell it. Buddha was an atheist. Meaning he didn't, not even meaning he was an agnostic, but meaning he didn't know and wasn't that interested as to whether there was a God or not. That wasn't the point. The point was loving kindness and compassion and peace and that kind of thing. So the Buddhist religion, that's also very interesting for us to think about in health policy and also research. We'll do this a little bit in research next time. But the Asian cultures are historically very different, although they've behaved in some ways a lot like the West does in terms of the energies between the Hindus and the Buddha, the Hindus and the Muslims, right? That kind of warfare that's happening there. So, but they have been much more of an atheistic religion. Even I would say the Hindus are atheistic. You know, to have a million gods is almost to have no God. So there's a huge spiritual idea there and a lot of practice, but it's a very different